If you have poor or damaged credit and find that you borrow money a few times a year to cover a monthly shortfall, you might be considering CashNetUSA's line of credit product. But unlike a personal loan, a line of credit can be confusing. The payment amount changes, there are additional fees, and you don't have a definite payoff date. In this video, we're going to go over CashNetUSA's line of credit product so you can make an informed decision on whether it would help you in your month-to-month finances. And we know a lot about lending. We've spent years working in the lending industry, so we understand company policies and how they work behind the scenes. We currently track over 100 credit providers in the United States, so we can tell you how they compare. CashNetUSA offers their line of credit to people who live in these 9 states. They serve people who have poor or damaged credit. If you have a credit score above 620, you should have access to a cheaper form of credit. I imagine that most of their customers have credit scores below 600, and they might even lend to all the way down to 500. So what is a line of credit and how does it differ from a personal loan? When you borrow a personal loan, you are approved for a fixed amount with a fixed interest rate. That means your payments are the same month to month, and you have a definite payoff date. When you open a line of credit, you are approved for a total amount, but you don't need to draw that amount up front. You can draw money over time as long as you stay under your total approved line amount. For many lines of credit, the interest rate could change depending on what is happening in the broader banking industry. Also, your payment will change month to month because the payment is based on your current balance, not your initial balance. Lines of credit can be useful because they are flexible. You are able to take out only what you need right now, knowing that if an emergency comes up, you can always go back for more money. However, if you don't carefully manage your line of credit, you could find yourself in perpetual debt. You could struggle to get it paid off because it's too flexible. CashNetUSA's line of credit ranges from a minimum credit line of $100 to a maximum credit line of $3,000. The minimum amount you can draw is $50. When you draw funds, you incur a 15% transaction fee. That means if you draw $1,000, you will immediately be charged $150. You will then be charged a daily interest rate of between 0.006274% and 0.008192%. If you have an interest rate of 0.008192% and a balance of $1,000, you will be charged $8.19 in interest every single day. If you turn that interest rate into an annual percentage rate or APR, it means that your interest rate will be between 229% and 299%. So this is expensive credit. You should only use them if you know you can pay them off quickly and not carry a balance of any significant amount for any significant amount of time. Your payments will be bi-weekly, bi-monthly, or monthly based on when you are paid. CashNetUSA will tie your payment to when you get paid to make sure that they are first in line to get paid when the money lands in your account. And that payment will change depending on your outstanding balance. That payment will include the interest that has been accrued during the period, as well as either 5% or 12% of your outstanding balance, depending on whether your payments are twice a month or monthly. In general, I like the idea of lines of credit for people who have variable incomes or expenses that are hard to predict. Having regular access to credit can simplify their lives and make managing their finances much easier. But you have to weigh the flexibility with how expensive CashNetUSA's line of credit is. I could make a case for the idea that a product that costs this much should not be easier to access. If you are often carrying a balance, you will end up spending a lot of money on interest and fees. That expense could make your financial situation more precarious. If you are in need of credit and have poor or damaged credit, one of the most important things you can do is to shop around. Lenders all have their own algorithms for who to approve, how much to offer, and at what rate. You might be denied by one lender only to be approved for a better offer from another one. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you've ever used CashNetUSA, leave a comment below and tell us about it. We're trying to build a community of people who can share their experience so we can all be better informed when making decisions about our personal finances. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.